Go.
Fuck yeah.
The ugly stick.
Good little run.
Hey, Riley. Here. You fucking go over me. So I can get on this side. My foot right here. Oh, you got this line.
I'm good. Oh, it's a runner. Damn, dude, I'm good at catching those things, huh?
Yeah, you're all wrapped up here.
That's all right. Just drop her
I would
down
fucking
here.
unwrap yourself while he's in the net. A lot easier.
She's grunting.
Need me to hold something?
Nah, you'll be all right.
Here.
All right.
It feels pretty good though. Oh, here it comes.
It just died. It just died all of a sudden.
Come on. There he is, yellowtail. Fuck yeah.
Is it a nice? Dude, that's a nice yellowtail. Oh my gosh, put that in the cooler. That's the biggest yellowtail I've ever seen.
That's a pretty fucking sick fish.
Good job, Rob. Freelining pays off, buddy.
You're gonna have to keep him. We fucking swap.
He found him.
He had a piece of ballyhoo too.
Tighten that fucking drag there, big shoots.
He's getting him up.
That's definitely a fucking yellowtail. Oh! Move with him.
Don't hit me in the mouth with a net. Don't let him go under.
Yeah, get that thing.
Dang, I'm video.
Yellowtail?
I don't know. It's something.
It's got shoulders though, huh?
Dude, is it?
No, she goes every time.
Well, every time we catch her, every time we catch something, I look up and she's nowhere to be seen. So.
Were you fishing dead bottom too? That's wild.
That's a fucking stout one.
Yeah, it is.
Fuck yeah.
Yellowtail?
Yeah, it looks. No, it's a mutton.
Yeah, it's a big ass mutton.
Nice,
Nice.
Bo.
Oh, nice.
Hey, he was on the bottom. Damn.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, he is.
We need